Hello, today I'm in AUDI Q3. In this video I'll show you how to manage sunroof. In the beginning, take a look at the roof of the car. Right here we've got this panel. Pull this button to open sunroof curtain. Pull this button to open sunroof. Push this button to close sunroof. You can do it manually by slightly pushing this button, or you can fully close it. And again push this button to close sunroof curtain. Again you can do it manually to position it. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.